In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate TradingView alerts to buy and sell. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to TradingView and look for the Pine editor at the bottom of your chart. Click on Pine editor to open it up. This allows us to create a custom script for either an indicator or a strategy. If you want to visualize certain data on your chart, you'll want to make an indicator. On the other hand, if you're interested in backtesting specific buy and sell rules, you should create a strategy. Within a strategy, you can use commands like strategy.entry for buy conditions and strategy.exit for sell conditions. Next, you'll want to define your alert trigger conditions. Common alert triggers might include something like a moving average crossover or an RSI reaching a particular level. Use Pine script's alert condition function to set these up, whether it's a buy signal or a sell signal. With your script ready to go, the next step is to save it and add it to your chart. Click on Save, then Add to Chart within the Pine editor. Now you'll see your script running live on your chart. To move forward, it's time to configure the alert settings. At the top of the screen, find and click the alert icon, which looks like an alarm clock. From here, you'll select your custom indicator or strategy from a drop-down menu. This is where you identify the specific alert condition you previously set, whether it's a buy or a sell trigger. Deciding on alert frequency is crucial too. You've got options like once per bar close or once per bar. Choose according to how frequently you need your signals. Moving on to the automated part, you'll need to use a webhook. Under Actions, you'll notice a webhook URL section. This is where you paste a webhook from a supported third-party automation service. When an alert is triggered, TradingView will send the relevant data directly to that service, which can execute automatic buy or sell orders on your behalf. There are also optional notification methods to consider, which can be quite handy. You can enable mobile app alerts for notifications on the go, email notifications for updates in your inbox, screen pop-ups for instant visibility, and sound notifications for audible cues. Finally, naming and creating your alert brings it all together. Give it a clear, descriptive name like Automated Buy Sell Bot, and once that's done, all that's left is to click Create. And there you have it. That's how you automate TradingView alerts to seamlessly buy and sell. Hopefully, these instructions empower you to manage your trading activities more efficiently. Happy trading!